Yo, what's up everyone? Today we're talking about how to get unlock code from your Huawei modem. As you can see, I found application. Its name is Unlocker++, and this application is awesome. This application allowed you to generate for your unlock code for every Huawei modem. It's work for every model. All you need to do, we must enter our IMEI number. So I enter my number and I show you how it works. It's basically absolutely for free. Enter Huawei Mi number, press button generate. Now as you can see, everything is generated. So we wait to finish this process. After finish, our unlock code for Huawei will be displayed, and yeah, it's awesome. It's work for all modems. So if you want to generate your unlock code, you need this application Unlocker++. How to install this application? It's easy. Open browser, go to Zeno app. As you can see, this website allows you to download and install Unlocker++. Press the unlocker, press button install. Now, very important way to finish this process, the last step is human verification. Follow all instructions. After you complete every step from this verification, Unlocker++, as you can see, will be installed for your Android and iOS device in 2023. Thank you for watching.